What's going on, B-Risers? I hope you're all doing well. We're here, the best place to be, and talking about how I haven't had a cell phone plan in 2 years. Seems kind of crazy, right? That, how do I have any connection? Well, what I've done an experiment. I have a cell phone, but I don't have a cell phone plan. And the reason is I've just been tapping into Wi-Fi, which is in so many, places now. And so I really just look up where's the free Wi-Fi, and you'll find that a lot of coffee shops have free Wi-Fi, even restaurants, a lot of buildings out there have free Wi-Fi. And so I really haven't felt like I've lost out in any way or lost connection. And in fact, when I look at connection, really I'm looking at connecting with people, connecting with nature, connecting with the universe without having a cell phone. How did they do it back in the day without cell phones, right? Now this is just what's working for me. So I'm not saying like you should do this. It really depends on what you want and what you need to help you with your life. But for me, it's just been a neat experiment because I've saved about $3,000 already in just 2 years, which I can put towards other things, right? So that's huge. First of all, just saving money. And as well as just developing a deeper connection and having more time to have a, face-to-face connection, or just connecting more into nature and not being so tied to the phone. And really it's working out really well for me. And like I said, I've saved so much money. And when you look at, really, this is just a signal, right? If we're looking at Wi-Fi signal bouncing off the phone to a satellite, it's really free energy that we're talking about. Which, wouldn't it be nice if it was free everywhere? That would be awesome. So for me, I have noticed lots of benefits without, being super tied to my phone. And I haven't felt like I've lost out in any way. In fact, I felt like I have gained more of a connection. And there's other means to connect with people as well, such as other, like the internet. I'm already paying for home internet. That's how I get these videos to you guys. And so a lot of times your phone can just run off that, right, off the internet. And that's how you can also save money. And you can use, there's certain apps out there that have free text messaging and free phone as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi. So I've just downloaded an app that gives me free texting and free phone calls as long as I connect to Wi-Fi. So that is amazing. And I love that these apps are out there because they're helping people save money. And that's where then we can spend more time doing other things, right? Because time is your greatest value. Time is so valuable. So yeah, I've noticed huge savings and benefits without being tied to a cell phone plan. And I just can find a way to connect with people on another level and get more connection with nature and the universe. It's really about the connection with yourself too, and connecting with yourself on a deeper level. Meditating, I find too, is huge in developing a deep connection with yourself. So when we look at phones and technology nowadays, we want to look at connecting back with nature, connecting back with ourselves, and not losing that connection, which is the biggest connection out there. So thank you so much for watching, and that's right now been my benefit for not having a cell phone plan, saving money, and developing deeper connections. And when I do that, I'm always looking for ways to better my life, to save money, and not being attached to having so much attachments, right, with even social media and getting lost in that. So when I do that, when we do that, when we all do that, when we all focus more on ourselves and nature, we all be rising.